Hi, I'm Richard Hershen, the corporate chef here at Mooney Farms, the home of Bella San Luci sun-dried tomato products. Check out our channel for giveaways, recipes, cooking videos, and our annual recipe contest, and maybe you'll be the winner of the $2,500 grand prize. Inspired by the healthy Mediterranean diet, Bella San Luci sun-dried tomatoes are made with premium ingredients including heart-healthy olive oil and lycopene-rich sun-dried tomato. Sun-dried tomatoes are rich with health benefits and flavor and make every dish new, better, and different. We believe a meal is more than food. It's about tradition, sharing memories, and creating flavors that make every visit to your table an experience. I hope to see you again soon. Please do go to bellasanluci.com and all of our social media websites for more Mediterranean inspiration. Arrivederci, ci vediamo, ciao.